What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are building a biological filter for the kiddie pool. We need to go to the store real quick, but I'm not going to take you guys there. It's kind of boring. So, the snap of my fingers, I will be back with all the supplies. Alright, so we just popped over to Brad at Chevy's Quality Koi's house, and I want to make a biological filter. So we got everything we need: rocks, pipe, pump, pea gravel, lava rock, everything. So we're just gonna put one of those together today, a little tiny one, because this is only 300 gallons. So we just have a bucket. We're gonna let it roll. This is kind of cool, right, Willow? Yeah. She loves it. Okay, let's get after it. Don't know how I'll record this, but I'll bring you step by step, show you what we got. All right, so this is everything we got. We got our pond pump. We got the little basket that's gonna go on the bottom. We got that little thing to drill the hole. Our plants, our bucket, lava rock, pea gravel for the top, and then our tube to connect to the pump. And then this will go around this, just to take up some area, right? All right, so let's just start throwing this together. First and foremost, what I want to start with, I want to drill a hole into the side of this towards the bottom so I could thread the pipe through it, because this is going to be at the very bottom, so we're going to start at the bottom, right? Come on. And for that, so now, what we'll do is we'll take this, thread this through here, right like that, leave it so it's down here, and then we're gonna run this all the way to the top. And then we're gonna start putting all of our stuff in. Come on. Oh my God, what are you made with, vibranium? Whew. We got it. Okay. Like I said, we're gonna boom. Set that up yesterday too. That's kind of cool. I like it. Okay, so tube through the bucket. Bucket in the bottom. This, where's gonna be the back? So it's gonna face that way. So we need to turn that this way. That's where my output's gonna be with the thing. It's gonna go here. Okay, done. Rock. You know what? That'll play. Okay, I just completed a step off camera. So I drilled a hole right there. See on the inside? Got it right there. It's a little high, but we'll see how that works. Might have to make two. I'm fine with two. We'll do two. What I was gonna say is, my Sawzall is still in a box, so serrated blade it is. Let's watch this struggle. It's actually not that bad. Poor blade. But fuck, I mean, shit, that'll work. worked. Oh, that's awesome. That's gonna be the overflow in case, you know, God forbid, it goes higher than that. And then this, we're gonna have to finesse to go here, which means we don't have a lot of room for pea gravel. Or we can just take some of this lava rock out. We're gonna just take some lava rock out. I love this thing. It's a ninja. So now what this is gonna do, this will be the overflow. We'll just plug this in. Say we ever have an issue where this isn't working how it's supposed to, double. I like that. Smart, smart. You see what happens when you mess things up? They become better. I'm gonna take some of these rocks out. That's what we got. So we got a little pew, dual action. I want to fill that up with water first to make sure that works. All we need is silicone. Like we need some freaking, you know what I'm saying? Silicone will do it right. Then it'll be, then it'll be good. But this might work. It could. It should work. Let's go clean off the plants. Should so build a pond over there. Just saying. Somebody's calling. It's my sister. Do I answer? Sure. Hello? That was exhausting. So at this point, I'm bringing in the pea gravel, just cleaned it off with the hose. I'm gonna put it on top of the lava rock, spread it all around. This is just another layer that the water's gonna have to pass through. And then here's the most important part. So get some nice water plants. With those water plants, that's what's gonna filter the actual water itself. So, I mean, they're gonna look bent, sloppy, whatever. It's not gonna look too good when you're setting it up, but in a week, 2 weeks time, when those plants start to regrow and re-straighten out, it's gonna look lovely. And I will, you know, put a picture at the end of what it's supposed to look like or what it will look like, just so you guys could see it firsthand. Now for this part, we're just dumping the pea gravel around the plants, just buttoning everything up, making it look nice. Not a necessary step, but I wanted to. This is what it looks like so far. Got that. We're gonna put some of the lava rock, the excess, right here, all around that, just so it makes it a little cleaner. Yeah, okay. We'll give you the final product in just a minute and see if this puppy works. Hoorah. We are ready to go. Here's our little pump. There's the biological filter. There's the dogs. It's gonna go right there. Hopefully this works and it doesn't leak right there. Otherwise we're gonna have to put this on pause and put some silicone around the edges. But what works the first time, you know? Let's give it a go. We're ready to plug in. Let's do this. This is all set up, all tucked in, buttoned up. This is a mess, but that's okay. We'll figure that out. Here we go. cannot tell if it's working. We'll we'll wait here for a moment. Here we go. Just waiting to see some type of action here. Anything will do. What are you doing? Oh, here we go. Oh, of course I missed it. Oh, fuck. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out. So it works. We just, you know what? I told you, what works the first time? We're gonna need to get some silicone. Tidy that up a little bit. I knew it was a rough fit. But we'll get some silicone, and then that thing is perfect. Look at my pond now. Wash off your water, folks, or your rocks. Now it's just a mess. That's cool that worked, though. I did that. We'll figure out the rest later. Nice. Okay, I just woke up. That's okay. What we're gonna do is, it's the next day from step one, of course, right? I didn't just take a 8-hour nap. Or did I? You don't know. Here's what we got. So, we had to silicone that because, we didn't use one of those little circle drill things, little, you know what I'm saying? Little circle cutter. We used one of the little bits. So, mistake on our part, but I mean, it still turned out pretty sick. We're gonna give it a go, see if we got any leaks, because I siliconed everywhere. And then we'll go from there. Hopefully that works. Oh, round two. Let's see. Here's the water. Oh, that's why. That's on me. Here we go. Our pump is a little too powerful for this little bucket, but I think there's a nozzle to where I can control how much it's pushing. But that's money right there. That is money. Okay. And that right there is how you make a biological filter. That's what we got. There's the finished product. There's a little view of the pond. It was super simple. All you needed was that bucket, a pump, a hose, you know, some PVC you got lying around, lava rock, that little pool filter basket, and then, man, oh man, you're done. Throw some plants on top, call it a day. This thing probably works better than most mechanical filters. I cleaned that FX6 over there just so we could have like a crazy flow going. So it goes this way with the biological, gets sucked up by the mechanical, gets brought all the way around, shot out right there. You can see the little snail eggs right there. How cool is that? And then it gets brought all the way around and right back here. So it's a nice little motion we got going on. Let's give you a close up of the inside of this. Just like that. Nice little flow. Gets sucked up right there. silicone's holding up nice. Not too shabby. There's Dennis the Menace right there. Pretty cool. If you enjoyed today's video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these how-to videos. I would love to. I mean, it's just an upgrade for the pond every time we do it. But that's gonna wrap today's video up. Until next time, see you, fish dudes. Peace.
The Schmitzes are in the spring.